Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss Burke reduction. Right? It is a type of chemical reaction which include the reduction of the given chemical compound. Right? And this type of reaction is useful for the synthesis of different type of medicinal compound. Today's lecture we will discuss about introduction, general reactions, reaction mechanism and regioselectivity as well as application of the Burke reduction. Now start with introduction of Burke reduction. The reaction is named after the Australian chemist Arthur Burke. The scientist Arthur Burke was first reported this reaction reduction reaction, that's why it is known as the Burke reduction. And this Burke reduction is nothing but the organic reaction where aromatic rings, that is arenes, undergo 1,4 reduction to give unconjugated cyclohexadiene. Right? Aromatic ring undergoes reduction and cause the reduction of carbon number 1 and 4. Right? That's why it is known as the 1,4 reduction and form the unconjugated cyclohexadiene. It is done by sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia in the presence of alcohol. This whole reduction is carried out by sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia in the presence of alcohol. Right? In this reaction, so metal, that is sodium or lithium, is used with ammonia. That's why it is also known as the metal ammonia reduction. This method of reduction is a major contribution to various organic reactions. We have seen many type of reduction reaction which cause the reduction of the open chain aliphatic compound or a different type of organic group present in open chain compound. Right? But there are no reactions that reduce the double bond present in the aromatic ring, that is benzene ring or related aromatic ring. Right? So it creates many opportunities to create intermediate unconjugated double bonded cyclohexadiene ring or aromatic ring that is again useful for the synthesis of different type of medicinal compound. Right? That's why it is a major contributor to the synthesis of organic compound. See general reaction. Given example is of benzene. Benzene undergo Burke reduction. That is the condition given is for the Burke reduction, sodium and ammonia in presence of alcohol. Right? Benzene undergoes Burke reduction and form the cyclohexadiene. Right? See in structure at the first and fourth position. Right? Consider the relating position 1,4 of the carbon undergoes the reduction. Right? And focus the 1,4 reduction and form the product cyclohexadiene. Right? In benzene there are 3 double bond and product have the 2 double bond. Right? 1 double bond is saturated with the help of hydrogen atom. Right? And 3 double bonded benzene converted into 2 double bonded cyclohexadiene. Second example is of naphthalene. There are 2 fused aromatic ring is present. Right? And naphthalene again undergoes Burke reduction and form the tetrahydronaphthalene. Right? See in both ring relating position 1,4 get reduced. Right? Ring first and second in both ring relating position 1,4 get reduced. Right? So that's why it is known as the 1,4 reduction. Now mechanism of action. See first structure of benzene. It starts with the attack of the electron on the first carbon atom. Right? Now this electron comes from where? This electron comes from the metal ion. Right? For example, sodium is used, then sodium get oxidized and release the electron species, right? Sodium undergoes oxidation and converted into Na plus electron, right? So that this electron comes from the oxidation of the metal ion and attack on this carbon, right? Now see what happened on attack of electron to the carbon atom or first carbon atom. Double bond between first and second carbon move between second and third carbon as shown in the structure, right? Now then subsequently what happened, double bond between third and fourth carbon is broken down and electron of this double bond, pi bond, moves towards the fourth carbon atom and form the second structure. See, in second structure what happened, double bond between first and second moves between second and third carbon, and double bond between third and fourth is broken down and electron comes on the fourth carbon, and it is in free form, right? This electron is in free form, right? In next step, that is the protonation of this fourth carbon, right? Now with the help of alcohol molecule provides the proton H plus ion and cause the protonation of this fourth carbon. This fourth carbon have the free electron pair. This free electron pair make the bond with H plus and cause the protonation or hydrogenation of this carbon, right? In short, it get reduced, right, and form the structure 3. In structure 3, at fourth carbon hydrogen atom is added. Red color hydrogen atom is added from the alcohol molecule, right? Now in the next step, again second electron species attack on the first carbon, right? Again this electron comes from the oxidation of the metal ion, right? And now at fourth carbon there is a pair of free electron pair, right? Now again there is a protonation, right? Protonation of the first carbon occur with the help of alcohol molecule. Alcohol molecule provide the H plus ion and cause the hydrogenation of first carbon. Again here on first carbon there is a free electron pair, and this free electron pair can form the bond with H plus and cause the hydrogenation, right? To see structure 5 is our product. See in structure 5, red color hydrogen atoms are added. Red color hydrogen atoms are added. They are at the first and fourth position, right? So that it is a 1,4 reduction, right? Now regioselectivity of this reaction. Now first of all, what is regioselectivity? We have seen many organic reactions in which there is a possibility of formation of more than one product, right? But in most of cases there is a formation of instead of possibility of more than one product, there is a formation of only one major product, right? That means that reaction is selective for that is specific one reaction amongst many possible product, right? So there is a regioselectivity of the reaction, right? Out of possible several product, reaction form only one product, that is the regioselectivity of that reaction, right? So here again in Burke reduction there are 3 double bond, right? And all 6 carbon of aromatic ring is part of this double bond. Now, right? Now which carbon involved in this reduction reaction which is not, that is depend upon the presence of substituent or group on aromatic ring, right? So first see, in aromatic ring with electron donors like methoxy or alkyl group, the product will have the residual double bond having maximum number of substituent, right? When electron donating group is present on aromatic ring, then what happen in Burke reduction? Reduction of the carbon that is a part of electron donating group is not reduced, right? Carbon containing electron donating group be the part of the double bond, right? See in reaction first, right? Aromatic ring with EDG, that is electron donating group, right, undergoes Burke reduction, and reduction of the 1/4 carbon occur, but carbon containing electron donating group residue the double bond or be the part of double bond, right? Now example is anisole. In anisole, benzene ring contain methoxy group OCH3. OCH3 is example of electron donating group, right? Anisole undergoes the Burke reduction in presence of lithium or sodium in liquid ammonia and butanol, right, and form the dihydroanisole. But in this carbon containing methoxy group have the double bond, or it is a part of double bond. That means that this carbon containing methoxy group is not undergoes the this type of reduction reaction, right? Now second, for aromatics with electron withdrawing groups such as carboxylic group, the substituent groups avoid the double bond, right? See in first reaction, aromatic ring with EWG, that is electron withdrawing group, undergoes Burke reduction and form the product in which carbon have electron withdrawing group undergoes the reduction reaction. It is a no more part of double bond, right? So in this type of molecule in which electron withdrawing group is present on aromatic ring, right? So during Burke reduction of this type of carbon will occur, right? Example is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid have carboxylic acid group, and carboxylic acid group is electron withdrawing group. It undergoes again Burke reduction and form the dihydrobenzoic acid, right? And carbon containing carboxylic acid group it get reduced, right? There is no double bond on this carbon atom, right? Now next one is acetylene readily gives olefinic compounds, right? Acetylene, that means carbon triple bonded carbon, CH triple bond CH, readily gives olefinic compound, that is CH2 double bond CH2, right? But substituted acetylene or different acetylenes, alkynes gives the trans olefinic or trans compounds, right? Now see in example, RC triple bond CR, that is substituted acetylene or dialkyl acetylene undergoes Burke reduction and form the product, doubly bonded product, which have the trans configuration. Here double bond carbon, it produces the geometric isomers, and this type of reduction, especially Burke reduction, produces the compound with the trans configuration, right? Now application of Burke reduction. As we discussed, it causes the reduction of the aromatic ring, right? So aromatic ring like benzene, different heterocyclic compound which show the aromaticity can reduce by this Burke reduction. For example, thiophene, it is a aromatic heterocyclic ring, undergoes the Burke reduction and form the mixture of product, that is 2-thiolane and 3-thiolane, right? Second example is of pyridine. Pyridine undergoes Burke reduction and form the product 1,4-dihydropyridine, right? And this dihydropyridine is very useful for the synthesis of different type of medicinal compound. For example, nifedipine, amlodipine, they are the ACE inhibitors used for the for lowering the blood pressure, right? And in this dihydropyridine is basic structure, right? So that This type of aromatic ring can be reduced by using the Burke reduction, and that reduced product is further useful for the synthesis of different type of active pharmaceutical ingredients. Thank you.